Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Notes app and making sure iCloud syncing is enabled so your work appears across devices. Create or select a folder to keep topics separate. This reduces future clutter. Tap the plus button to create your first note, then give it a clear title. Use the toolbar to pick text, checklist, or sketch. Choose what fits the content. Once done, type the first lines and use Command Space to quickly jump to other apps while Notes remains active. Next, focus on organizing and enriching your notes so it's useful later. Apply headings and bold to highlight key points. Toggle checklists for tasks you'll complete. Drag images, PDF, or scan documents into the note to keep reference material together. Use tags or folders to group related notes. This makes search faster. If a note is sensitive, lock it with a password. Once organized, test search by typing a unique word to confirm everything is indexed correctly. Finish by sharing and ensuring your notes are safe and current. Use the share button to invite collaborators or send a static copy. Set permissions for editing versus viewing. Make sure Notes is syncing. Go to System Settings, Apple ID, iCloud Notes, and confirm it's on. If notes don't appear, toggle iCloud Notes off and on, or sign out and back in. This forces a resync. If problems persist, export the note to files as a backup before further troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.